How to make money from home. Top 5 side hustles for 2023. Hello, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be discussing the top 5 side hustles for 2023 that you can do from the comfort of your own home to earn some extra cash. With the rise of technology and the gig economy, there are now more opportunities than ever to make money from home. So without further ado, let's get started. 1. Online tutoring. Online tutoring has become increasingly popular in recent years, and it's a great way to make money from home. There are many platforms such as Chegg, TutorMe, and vidIPKid that allow you to sign up as a tutor and start earning money. You can tutor in a variety of subjects, including math, science, and languages, and you can do it all from the comfort of your own home. The pay for online tutoring varies depending on the platform and your level of expertise, but it can range from $15 to $50 per hour. 2. Freelance writing. If you have a passion for writing, then freelance writing may be the perfect side hustle for you. Freelance writing involves writing articles, blog posts, or other content for clients who are looking for quality content. There are many platforms, such as Upwork and Freelancer, that allow you to create a profile and start bidding on writing jobs. The pay for freelance writing varies depending on the project and your level of expertise, but it can range from $0.05 to $0.50 per word. 3. Social media management. Social media management has become a vital part of many businesses' marketing strategies. And if you have experience in social media, then this could be a great side hustle for you. Social media managers are responsible for creating and posting content, engaging with followers, and analyzing the performance of social media campaigns. There are many platforms, such as Hootsuite and Buffer, that allow you to manage multiple social media accounts from one place. The pay for social media management varies depending on the client and your level of expertise, but it can range from $15 to $50 per hour. 4. Online surveys. If you're looking for a quick and easy way to make some extra cash, then online surveys may be the perfect side hustle for you. There are many platforms, such as Swagbucks and SurveyJunkie, that allow you to sign up and start taking surveys. The pay for online surveys varies depending on the platform and the length of the survey, but you can expect to earn anywhere from $0.50 to $5 per survey. 5. E-commerce. If you have an entrepreneurial spirit, then starting your own e-commerce business could be a great way to make money from home. There are many platforms, such as Shopify and WooCommerce, that allow you to create your own online store and start selling products. You can sell anything from handmade crafts to digital products, and the potential for earnings is limitless. The amount you can earn from e-commerce varies depending on the product and the amount of effort you put into marketing and promoting your store. Conclusion. So there you have it, the top 5 side hustles for 2023 that you can do from the comfort of your own home to earn some extra cash. Whether you're looking for a quick and easy way to make money or you're ready to start your own business, there's a side hustle out there for everyone. So go ahead and give it a try. And who knows, you may just discover your next passion or even turn your side hustle into a full-time career. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one.